the horn and not the crossover.
Right. So these are JBL
JRX100s.
JRX100s. About how old are those? From the 80s, 90s?
No. They're probably, I don't know, 20 years old.
Okay.
And I've replaced one of them before, the whole speaker, and it was probably the same problem.
Probably.
But anyway, I went down. My buddy worked at the Guitar Center. He just swapped me out.
Okay. So this is diagnosis. Diagnosis of the horn has already been done. The new horn has been ordered, and it's just a component of the horn or the whole?
Yes, it's the diaphragm.
This part right here, diaphragm.
That's the horn. Here's the diaphragm.
About how much were these?
It's $30 for both of them. $15 a piece.
$15 a piece.
Yeah. You can buy the whole magnet and everything for about $100.
All right, so this is a good cheap fix for your horns.
Mm-hmm.
And that's where the electrical connections hook up. And then that's where the action happens right there, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, the coil on this one, it's stuck down in the gap. I mean, it broke off. It burned. It got so hot it broke off.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I've had this apart and looked at it. I just put it back together.
Yeah. Give guitarologist a little run for his money.
Yeah. Coils broke off of that. It's down in there.
Now is it stuck because of the magnetism or?
I've had it out.
jammed in there?
No, I've had it out. I just gotta find a little pick or something to get it out, which I have it.
Now is this black just adhesive, or I was just a cushion?
And this that model number, the guy that I saw do it, he said the one with the -1, some of them don't have a -1. There's some kind of fluid in there that you don't want to lose.
Okay.
Which I don't know. I mean, I don't know, but anyway.
It's probably some kind of grease.
Right, and I've changed these Wells coils on some PVs, big PV speakers. They're of course bigger. And you clean that gap with masking tape. He said not to go down too far. I guess that's some kind of fluid, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. You can see on them. Right here, some came out at some point.
Yeah, that's weird, isn't it?
Probably displaces some at some point.
Clean that off, maybe. Probably wouldn't hurt to clean that off, huh?
So there's no thermal paste or anything like that?
Mistakes. You can keep those in.
Yeah, mistakes are good to show people what not to do.
Doesn't grab much thread, does it? Now where'd they go?
I stuck to the magnet.
Oh, yeah, of course. When I took these out, they were not in there tight. So that's about how it was. See, you got two different sizes.
Mm-hmm.
Another wire. Where's another wire? I've been down there somewhere. Let's put one in and test it. Test it.
Connected.
I know the lesson I've learned here is worth it all.
Make sure that one's working. Sure, I picked the wrong one.
There we go. Hours at a time. It's a lot of hours. Get an image of the shot in front. And anatomy of a diaphragm. It's just a little, looks like a little copper ring.
Voice coil, yeah. That's what that is.
And then really not much to it. There you go, a good cheap fix just about anybody can do with just a few simple tools. And if you want to see and hear the horn in action, go to Jokers to the Right and subscribe on their page.